guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Aku. I'm glad you guys tuned in for another episode. Today's video is going to be a follow-up about a previous video that I made on how to get your Instagram account back. I've been getting a lot of questions about how I got my Instagram account back, a lot of DMs, and at first I was responding to every DM individually in detail, but then it became overwhelming. It's like, I can't keep up. I figured the best way would be to make a video that would address majority of the questions that I've been getting. I also have an update on the emails and messages that I had been sending Facebook and Instagram. So stay tuned so you can get all the tea. For all my new subscribers, welcome. Join the party. Get comfortable. Have a seat. We're all family here. Just good energy. Thank you for subscribing. All right, we're going to hop straight into it. Till this day, Instagram or Facebook hasn't figured out how to not deactivate legitimate accounts. It's extremely frustrating. And if you're currently in Facebook or Instagram jail, my heart goes out to you. Hopefully this video is going to help you so you can be able to reach out to someone who can get your account back. Initially, I thought that you had to run an ad in order to do the chat, but you actually don't have to run an ad. You don't have to spend any money. You can do this for free. You're welcome.
So right now I'm just in the general settings. I'm going to go to account and then go to help and support. From there, click on the help center. It's going to open up another page. Scroll down to the bottom to where it says visit business help center and click that. Opens up another page, Facebook business help center. And then at the very bottom, you're going to see find answers or contact support. So click get started. And just for the purposes of this video, we're going to click ads. And then right here it says need more help, contact support, chat with the representative. Estimated wait time is 5 minutes. Yes. So it brings you to this page where you can contact someone. Down here it's going to ask for your ad account ID. You can just put numbers 1 through 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or it doesn't really matter. Obviously if you have an ad account you can put that in there, but if you don't have it, no need paying for an ad just so you can put in a valid number. It's still going to connect you to a representative. And then once you're done, just click on start chat and then it will connect you and you're all done.
Once you get connected to someone, be really nice and respectful because you're kind of hoping or banking on this person helping you out to get your account back. If they don't seem keen on helping, just end the chat, just stop talking to them. It's not by force. Find somebody else. If you do the steps all over again and get back into the chat, hopefully you get a new person who's probably in a good mood and willing to help you that day. About 3 weeks after I dropped my video, I got an email from a Facebook representative, which I'm going to put right here. Essentially, they were trying to help me. They said, hey, we noticed that your account has gotten deleted or disabled. We want to help you with this issue, but we've noticed that the issue has been resolved. Of course, because I had to be a hacker. Otherwise, I wouldn't have my Instagram account back. They told me that if it happened again, all I needed to do was respond to that email or contact the help center, which to that, you mean the help center is useless, honestly. And I only bring that up to tell you guys that there's hope. So if you were being patient and just waiting for someone from Facebook to respond to your query, then yeah, someone may eventually reach back out to you. Like I mentioned in the other video, some people had gotten their accounts reinstated in a few days. Other people had to wait a few months. In my case, after my video dropped or after I blasted them with my video, someone reached out to me about 3 weeks after that. I don't know if it's because of the video or I'm not 100% sure, but there's hope. The other question I want to address is Fiverr being blocked to find hackers. Guys, I'm not encouraging hackers. I didn't encourage it in my old video. I'm not encouraging it now. I was just trying to give an alternative if you hadn't found a solution. I went back on Fiverr and it wasn't disabled for me. So I'm not really sure what's going on with that. So if you've been having trouble finding the chat feature on Facebook, just follow the instructions that I detailed in this video. Hopefully that's going to help you get a hold of somebody who is willing to help. Guys, please, please, please be careful when you use Fiverr. There's so many people on there. Some are legit, some are not. So you need to do your research. Don't just pay any Tom, Dick, and Harry to unhack your account. Just try to do some research before you spend your money. Okay, this concludes today's video. I hope that it helps at least one person. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you at my next video. What's that challenge? The June bug?